Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this smart card. This is out of a Hyundai Equus 2015. You really only need a couple things. Your new battery. This takes a very thin battery, 2412. Get these on Amazon. They're only like $1 or $2 a piece. And there's a link below in the description. I'll take you there and get what you need. And then also a screwdriver. It doesn't need to be this narrow, but it does need to be thin. So you can see here, this says battery. So flip that over, and there's a little indentation here. Now this is kind of difficult to get out, so don't want to bang it up too bad. All right, there you go. So pull that out. Negative side this way, positive side this way, and it comes out kind of. Pull it up like that. All right. And again, it says negative side down there. And then take your battery, plop it in like this first. Push it down. And then the ridges here, you can kind of see which direction this goes in. So plus side up, basically. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.